We back with you again with another shoe review. Let's go.
Yes,
it's
sir.
not these. What are these again?
Thunders, red Thunders.
What color? What model?
Bruh.
Not model. That's a car. What is he? Fours?
Fours.
Okay.
Twos,
Jordan.
Threes.
Get out of here. Jordan
Ones.
ones. I know those. Cool grays.
11s.
11s. Okay. These are the fours.
Yeah.
We got something better for you. So we got rid of those. Finally, we got Kenzie to step out of her box and get a different pair of shoes. Let me see what you got. Bye! Ooh, wait! So what do we have here, Kenzie?
Nike Air Maxes.
My question is, it's different from the Jordans because that's what all she wears. Is Jordans. So she's stepping out the box. She got some lows. All she really wears high tops. So not only that, Jordans, high top shoes. So she's stepping away from those. She picked up, copped you some Jordan 1 lows.
Mm-hmm.
She liked them, stepped out. Now she stepped in the rim of these. She actually put these on her foot, right?
Yeah.
And they look good. So what do you think about these? Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. What'd you say?
I need a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay, I'll give them a 9 because I haven't worn them out. I need to wear them out in public. First.
Yo, that's surprising to me. So you give these a 9.
No, I like the color, but I need to wear them out first.
What do you mean?
Wear them out in public to see how they really feel.
Okay, feel on your foot.
Yes.
All right, so this right here color scheme, this is all the colors that you do like. Because you wear what? Black, gray, white, and blue.
Yeah.
And she surprised me when she stepped out the box and bought red. Because that's all the colors she wants. Black, blue, white.
When I was younger, I always wore red.
She did always wear red when
But
you was
now I
younger.
always wear blue.
All right, so tell about this shoe. What do you like about this shoe?
Well, first off, I like this, how it's threaded, the Nike.
Hold it up here so they can see it.
It's like
so we're going
thread.
with this.
Nike right here.
Okay, she likes how it's threaded. Okay, the Nike.
And then I like the color scheme a lot. I like how it's gray right here and right there.
So the reason I got these is because she wants the Oreos of this kind, right?
Mm-hmm.
My thing is, Kenzie, how many pair of the same shoes that you want?
Oh, you should see people. They have like a whole row of one side of fours, ones.
We ain't people. All right, so maybe Santa Claus. But this is the color scheme of the Oreos. This is a dope shoe. All right, go ahead. Tell them a little bit more about the shoe. I'm sorry.
Okay, I like how they make me a lot taller.
They do. So they
I'm like 5 foot. I mean,
Bruh.
5'5" because
There
I'm
you go.
5'4".
Okay, so it makes you taller. What else you like about this shoe?
They have a lot of comfort, like a lot of cushion.
A lot of cushion in the shoe. Okay.
I like the bubbles a lot.
She likes the bubbles.
You know
Which
what I
you
always
think
thought
about?
when I see
What?
people with these? Like, what if you pop them? I'm not gonna pop them, but like, I'm talking about like,
Bruh.
would it like deflate?
Yes, it will deflate.
Okay.
It's one bubble, I think. One
It
gigantic
is?
bubble. Yeah.
Oh.
This bubble better not come popped. I know
It's
that.
not gonna pop.
You better not be in school poking it with no pencil or nothing. These right here retail for about $100 on StockX. This is probably by far her cheapest shoe, but I love this shoe. Air Maxes are comfortable for me. I like how they look. I love the back plate. I love the color scheme of this shoe.
I like this too.
The mesh on the shoe. So we got mesh on the shoe. This shoe right here is all around, and they're not expensive like Jordan. So this shoe is dope. We got this from StockX, of course. We was looking at the shoe when we first got it. It had little dirt marks on it, so it was a little sketch. But I looked them up on GOAT and everything. Even like some of the spots on them, it looked like the glue is showing on the shoe. So I don't know, man. But overall, I think this is a dope shoe. Anything else about this shoe that you love?
I like it all.
I'm surprised. So that's thumbs up. She even gave this a 9. I was surprised. I would go for like a 4. But she's stepping out. The next thing I want her to see is the off-whites. The off-whites are dope. For me, I love them. It's different. Comes with the tag on it, like the off-white. Not the Jordan off-white, just regular off-whites. The lows. It like low-size Converses or whatever. And it has the little, like the strips on it. Off-white. Dope.
I
See.
don't know.
All right, what's the next ones you're gonna venture into?
I want to try Yeezys, the actual shoe, but they're gel bottoms.
The reason I don't like gel bottoms because I clean all her shoes every day. She keeps them clean throughout the day. That's our deal. When she goes to school, you keep your shoes clean, nice. I clean them at home, you get more shoes. If you start dogging these shoes, I'm not spending money on this. So, but the Yeezys, which ones?
I want either the all black ones or the all white.
What are they called?
They're Yeezys.
I know, baby, but what are they called? Yeezy what? It's like Jordan ones. You don't know those.
I just know
You talking about the one that's got like the mesh all here and the whole big gel bottoms?
Yeah, like the one that David had.
Got you. All right, so we're gonna bitch out the Yeezys. What about Dunks?
Yeah.
So Dunks too. So overall, you got all these. So what you rate this? Let's go through real quick. What you rate this? 1 through 10.
I'll give it a 9.
1 through 10.
A 9.
You gotta get some. 1 through 10.
10. That's off the charts. That's my favorite shoe.
1 through 10. The ones.
10.
The ones are fire. 1 through 10. Did we already do
10.
this?
Those are my second favorite shoes.
The grays?
Yeah.
I like the color scheme. I wish you would like the all black one with the red. You don't like that?
Mm-mm.
Dude.
I like all blue, the one that you sent me. It had blue
Why do you
here.
feel like they dirty?
You said that last time. It's because the gel bottom.
The gel bottom's dirty, but the shoe's clean. But all right, so this right here is a 9. You want to take them out? So everybody else, cock these, man. StockX, $100. You know, of course they got the little fees, like I always say. You add on like 20 more bucks, 30 bucks. So $130, you got these Air Maxes, fresh.
But let me tell you, the only thing I don't like about wearing these is my foot, cause I'm flat foot, and then when my foot pushes down, it like expands.
What she's saying is that hang off the side, like when you push it down. This right here, because
I have a flat foot.
She get that from me. A lot of shoes are narrow, and it doesn't fit flat foot people. The reason I like New Balance is because you can get them wide. Then they just look like a big wide boat. You know what I'm saying? But they'll what's called. You'll wear them in. So
yeah.
All right, man, take them out, boo boo.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so
you won't miss out on our future videos. Until the next video.
Peace.
Peace.